We use the word project all the time, right? But what does it actually mean? In this explainer, we're going to break down the official definition, explore why projects are so crucial, and see how these powerful endeavors are born.
So think about it for a second. What on earth do these three things have in common? I mean, a skyscraper, a huge corporate merger, and a brand new app. They seem totally different, right? But believe it or not, they share the exact same DNA. They're all projects.
All right, here's the game plan. First, we'll talk about projects as these incredible engines of change. Then, we'll really deconstruct the official definition, get down to the nitty-gritty. After that, we'll look at the value they create. And finally, we'll figure out what actually sparks the project to life in the first place.
Okay, first things first. Let's completely reframe how we think about projects. They are so much more than just a long to-do list. They are, and this is key, the primary engines organizations use to create real, lasting transformation.
So here's the most important why behind it all. Every single project, and I mean every single one, has one fundamental purpose: to drive change. It's all about getting from point A to point B, moving from where you are right now to where you want to be.
In this slide, it captures that journey perfectly. You've got an organization hanging out in its current state. Maybe they have a clunky old process, or there's a huge gap in the market they're not filling. The project? Well, that's the vehicle. It's the rocket ship that blasts them over to the future state where that problem is solved and things are just better.
Okay, so we've got the why projects exist. Now let's get a little more technical and break down the official definition to understand exactly what they are.
And here it is, the classic textbook definition. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Now, I really want you to lock in on those two words, temporary and unique. They are the absolute heart and soul of what makes a project a project.
These two ideas, this is what makes a project so special and a little bit paradoxical, right? Temporary means it's not forever. It has a definite start and a definite end. And unique means what you get at the end is a one-of-a-kind creation, something new.
But what does unique actually look like in the real world? Well, it can be a tangible product you can hold, like a brand new drug. Or it could be a new service, like, say, a company that starts offering guided historical tours in a city. It can even be a unique result, like a deep research document that proves a groundbreaking theory. The point is, it's new, and you can verify that it's been created.
Now this is a really great point. Think about construction. You might think building one office building is the same as building another. And yeah, a lot of the steps are repetitive, right? You pour a foundation, you put up walls. But each building project is still totally unique. Why? Because of its specific location, the architectural design, the particular team working on it. No two projects are ever truly identical.
Okay, so what about that other keyword, temporary? What does that really mean? Well, a project's life is finite. It has to end. The best case scenario, it ends because you've achieved all your goals. But it can also end for other reasons. Maybe you realize the objectives just can't be met, or the funding dries up, or, the original need just isn't there anymore. The key takeaway is, no matter what, the work has a clear stopping point.
And this is such a cool and important distinction to make. The work itself is temporary. So the effort to build a massive national monument, that has a start date and a stop date. But the result, the deliverable, that thing is designed to be permanent, to last for centuries. So the effort is finite, but the outcome can literally last forever.
All right, so projects are temporary. They create unique results. But why do we even bother? What's the end game here? That brings us right into our next section, the incredible value that projects are designed to create.
The big payoff for all this temporary, unique work is something called business value. Think of it as the total benefit a project gives to its stakeholders. And remember, stakeholders are pretty much anyone with an interest in the outcome. This is the ultimate answer to the question, so was all that effort worth it?
And this value comes in two distinct flavors. On one side, you've got the tangible stuff, the things you can literally count or touch. We're talking about money, new tools, or grabbing a bigger slice of the market share. But then, on the other side, you have intangible value, and this stuff is just as critical. This is things like your company's goodwill, brand recognition, or creating a public benefit. You can't exactly stick it on a balance sheet, but man, is it powerful.
Okay, this is great. We know what projects are, and we know the kind of value they create. So for our last section, let's explore the origin story. Where do projects even come from? What's the initial spark that ignites a project and brings it into existence? A project is usually born from one of four main catalysts. Think of them as triggers. First, you might need to meet a new legal requirement. You have no choice. Second, you might be satisfying a request from your customers. Third, projects are often how you actually implement a big-picture business strategy. And fourth, and maybe the most common one, is when you need to create, improve, or just plain fix one of your products or services.
So here's the big idea to wrap this all up. Projects are not just random tasks that pop up out of nowhere. No, they are highly strategic responses to all the factors pushing and pulling on an organization. They are, quite simply, the primary way we adapt, grow, and ultimately thrive.
And that really brings us to our final thought. If a project is just a temporary journey to create a unique and valuable future, well, think about your own world, your own work, your own life. What future state do you want to create? What's your next project going to be?